Hi, this is an active Feldenkrais lesson for those who want to improve their shoulders. We're going to be moving a lot more with our shoulders, so just know that you can pause and break at any time. For now, notice your feet and begin to shift from one foot to the other without going to the limit. Just notice which foot feels steadier, more present, or as though you could put more of your weight there comfortably. Come back to the middle and reach out to the sides with both arms. We're going to take our arms, keep them straight, and turn in one direction. Notice how far you go. Turn to the other direction. And notice how far you go. And do that one more time to see which side is easier. It's likely the side where you go further, but it may not be. So find your easier side. Pause with the arms for just a moment. Once again, let's go to our easy side. Go to your easy side. It might not be the same as mine. And then very slowly, I want you to start to reach with that top arm forward and the back arm back. So the front arm is reaching toward the fingertips. The back arm is reaching toward the fingertips. And now look at that front arm while you're doing this. The body is twisted, but you're still reaching forward with the front arm, reaching back with the back arm. And now look at your back arm while you do this. Feel the movement in your ribs. Feel everything that's happening in your body. And then bring everything back. Pause for just a moment. Once more back up. Turn, see if you go further. Is it easier somewhere in your chest or in your belly? Wonderful. Take a moment to walk or pause so you don't have to keep holding the arms. You can sit for a moment, or you can pause the video if your arms are tired. Some of the fatigue is worth it for just this lesson, so see if you can give it a shot. If not, pause, take a break, and come back. But we're going to come back here, go to the easier side, and as soon as you arrive at the easier side, you're going to take your ear to the same side shoulder, and then to the other. Right ear goes to the right shoulder and left ear goes to the left shoulder. What happens if you go slow? What do you notice in your ribs, in your arms? Did they still reach a little bit? Pause for a moment. Now let's try reaching the front arm forward and taking the other ear to the shoulder. Now try reaching the back arm back. Take the other ear to the shoulder, the same side. Come back all the way around, arms down. Once again, let's try it. Do you go further? Maybe, maybe not. Most likely you'll go further. But every process is individual. But notice, if you go further or not, is there more ease in the movement, in the chest? Is there more freedom? All right, we're going to try now one more time going to the easy side. So turn to your easy side as far as you can go comfortably. Take your head and eyes and look left and right. Go slowly if you can, looking from one fingertip to the other. And now I want you to, when you're looking at the front hand, take your head down and around and back to the front, down, around, back to the front. Do the same thing behind you. I'll turn so you can see me. But you're facing your back hand now. Over here looking at the fingertips, down, around, and back. Down, around, and back. And now bring everything back. Once more, try going. Is it easier? We want to keep making it easier and easier. Turning is something that keeps us upright for our whole lives, and this ability to turn the way that we do allows for us to not be pulled forward or backward by gravity, relieving a lot of issues of pain and fatigue. Let's try the other side. Go to your other side. Notice how far you go. Pause there for a moment and start to reach. One arm forward, one arm back, and they alternate. And maybe you alternate looking at the hands. See if you can look at the hand that's not reaching. As the front arm reaches, look toward your back hand. As the back arm reaches, look toward your front hand. And feel what kind of shapes that's making in your chest. Bring everything back. Pause for just a moment. Up again. Let's see how far we go. Oh, a little further. All right. We're going to try one more time, but just take a moment to either walk or pause. If you're choosing to walk, notice anything different about your walking in your feet, in your legs. Notice the way your shoulders and chest are right now. Is there something happening that's different there that supports you in walking or standing? Once more, we're going to come back to our easier side. Let's go ahead and take the head and eyes front, and then let's look a little bit left and right of that front arm. Just a little bit left and a little bit right. It won't be a big movement. Go and do the same thing on the back arm. Look a little bit left and a little bit front. And then bring everything back. Let's try going back again to see if it got easier. Notice if it's getting easier. Okay, let's do one more. Let's reach the arms out to the side, turn ourselves as far as we can go comfortably, and then we're going to start to bend the head to one shoulder as we reach the opposite arm. So this time you're initiating with the ear to shoulder. Once, say the right ear is going to the right shoulder, the left arm is reaching. As soon as the left ear goes to the left shoulder, the right arm will begin to reach. It's going to feel a little awkward and like a movement you probably are not familiar with, so go slow and only do what's easy. Might feel like a little kind of dance. And then bring everything back. Pause. Let's try again. Everything to the side and back. And now go to both sides and see how far you turn. And if you wanted to turn this into Qigong, you just turn from side to side and you notice, wow, arms are weightless, shoulders are in place. Try walking around. See how your shoulders feel in walking. See how your pelvis feels, your feet. Just because we do the shoulders doesn't mean it's not for the whole body. Once we organize this girdle, we organize this girdle, we organize it all. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos for Feldenkrais, Qigong, and more.